diet. Number 2, exercise. If you are overeating, your body is going to put that extra caloric intake somewhere. And genetically, you might just be someone that carries it here. And unfortunately, when we lose weight, we usually lose it in the place last that we want it to be lost the quickest or the most. So number 1, decrease your calorie intake to lose weight. Number 2, exercise increases the amount of calories you burn, so it helps that caloric deficit. So overall weight loss is going to help. If I'm going to pick an exercise for your chest, it's simply the push-up. The push-up has core, it gets your heart rate up, and it's free. You can do it anywhere. Do more push-ups. Finally, if it is a true genetic problem or a disease, get your T levels checked. That is a last resort. If those first 2 things aren't working, do not blame your testosterone levels if it's due to your diet and your lack of exercise. Fix those 2 things first. That is a last resort.